Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the copyright check tool. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using the copyright check tool in Capcut is a simple process. All you have to do once you open the Capcut application, you might want to click the create a project to start and begin your work if you haven't already. But if you have already an existing project, just click on it to edit. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this project. Now, let me tell you a way where you can manage any copyright related concerns when using Capcut on your PC. All you have to do is go to the upper left corner where you can see the audio section. And there is a section here that says copyright. I want you to click on it, and as you can see, before sharing a video to TikTok, check whether the sounds in it have copyright issues to prevent it from being muted. Alright, all I have to do is click on check button. I want to make sure that... Alright, so basically we need to run some audio here. So I'm gonna go to the audio, for example only, alright? You went to the music, you kind of like drag the soft aesthetic sound, all right, and then you went again to the copyright issues checker tool, click the check button to make sure. As you can see, sound copyright checked. Now let's try something from any video in YouTube that, or any music that you have. Now here I have added an audio that might create a potential copyright issue, right? So I'm gonna go to the audio again to see if this could create any problem for us. Click the recheck button. See, it takes a little while depending on the length of the music that has been added. So far, I believe it will create a potential threat or issues for the background audio. You see, your video will be muted on TikTok. Copyright issue of the video sound was detected, and please replace the video sound and you can still post this video. Alright, and again, we're gonna delete this audio and instead just work with one that we have earlier. And once you're happy with that, you might want to click the export button on top of the file here and export it to different file formats. You can also share this video with your client if you're working in a collaborative environment. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.